Hi, I am at the rec room at Country Village. One of them. So this one has a nice corner fireplace. Dance floor. Got the office over here. Kitchen. There's a little kitchen back here. And the bathrooms. And then on the back they have the exercise room. It's actually a big exercise game room, library area back here. We've got some pool tables, poker table, tennis table. We've got all your exercise equipment over here on this side. With your TV, you can sweat to the oldies. We're gonna go check out some of the other areas around the park.